We decided to work with YubiKey, who create these nice little USB tokens. Now, the advantage of these is they contain no battery, so you don't have to replace the hardware token every few years. There's no screen on them that it potentially can break. So it's a pretty hard little piece of kit. So generally you buy it once and then you're done, unless you need to replace it because it's got lost or something. But on the whole, it becomes much more cost effective than the traditional keyring tokens, which have got much more technology from a screen and complexity point of view in them. The nice part about them is, as well, is you can just plug them into any USB port, press the button, and it logs you in. So it doesn't need any special software or drivers or anything like that, and it gets all the power from the USB port. So we decided to work with YubiKey because of the flexibility they give you, and that it's something that stands out in the market as being different from every other keyring vendor that makes a random number code generating device. By integrating YubiKey into the Authlogics authentication server, it gives YubiKey the advantage of all our other authentication technologies have, which is, for example, logging onto Windows desktop, to be able to log on totally offline onto Windows using a two-factor token. So everything you can do with our other technologies like PinGrid, PinPass, and PinPhrase, you can also now do with YubiKey. So you think of this as a way to log on to your web portals, remote desktops, VPNs, whatever, all through a single managed interface, whether it's hardware tokens or software tokens or tokenless, which is part of our platform. So by every time we add a new authentication technology into our system, those technologies get the advantage of everything else that our ecosystem provides. So this gives a lot of added value to YubiKeys by themselves. Part of the Authlogics authentication server, we have technologies that allow you to log on without a password. So passwordless is the third step in our journey we want people to get to. And by bringing YubiKey into that picture means you can now log on to systems with a YubiKey without a password as well. And that includes logging on to Windows PCs as well. So it can show a demonstration of how that works. So now we're going to demonstrate logging onto Windows without a password and just using the YubiKey. So you start with the logon screen by selecting the one-time code box, insert the YubiKey into USB port, and then press the button. Simple as that. Logged onto Windows 10 with no password using YubiKey.